I have some information here about the 1972 Washington Quarter, 1972D. Do you have one? Do you have it? Okay, let's find out the value or the price. I have some information here. Let's read the information. Hold on. Let's read. Let's read first what is written on the coin. Liberty. In God we trust. 1972D. At the back of the coin, United States of America. E pluribus unum. The eagle. Quarter dollar. Okay, now let's read the information about the 1972 D Washington Quarter. Let's read it. There. Okay. Here we go. 1972D quarter volume. The 1972 quarter with a D mint mark was struck at the Denver Mint. The mint mark letter appears on the front of the coin. To the right of Washington hair tie. A total of 311,067,732 were made, and they remain relatively common coins today. A 1972 D quarter pound in circulation is usually worth 25 cents. Uncirculated 1972 D quarters are worth substantially more, usually taking $1 to $5 without wear. The most valuable 1972 D quarter was certified MS-68 by Professional Coin Grading Service and took $3,055 in a 2014 auction. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.